Is there someone you would like to block from seeing your Facebook page? I get it. I'm Sheryl Loch with Ginger Roots Media. And while my real job in life is to make sure as many people as possible see the Facebook pages I manage, or targeted people. Anyway, there are times where, whether it's an ex, maybe a past employee, maybe a spammer, there's a variety of people that maybe you don't want them to see your Facebook page. They could be causing you a lot of hate and discontent, and you just don't want them to see it anymore. Well, you can block them. And if they're smart, they just go away, but that doesn't always happen. So sometimes we have to take drastic measures. And that's what I'm going to show you how to do in this video, is to block someone. So therefore, they're not seeing your post. They cannot comment on it. They can't like it. They can't share it. They just go away and leave you alone. Granted, I will tell you this right up front. If you think blocking someone means that then you can say something about them or post something that since you blocked them, they'll never find out, doesn't work that way, because too many people can take screenshots of anything you post. So if you are legitimately blocking them because they are causing the problems, then this video is for you. If you're blocking them so that you can be an ass, this isn't going to help, because somebody will take a screenshot and send it to them. So let's head over to Facebook, and I'm going to show you how to block someone, and hopefully for the right reasons. Okay, so here we are on my Facebook page. We're going to go to the upper right and click Settings. Once we're on Settings, we're going to scroll down and look on the left-hand column for People and Other Pages. Now, here is a list of all the people that like and follow your page. If you want, click on their name, and then you can take action. You can click the little gear, remove from page likes, or ban from page. Now, I'm not really going to ban him right now since he's done nothing wrong. But if you want, you can search for someone's name. If you know they like your page, then their name will pull up. Then you click and you can ban them. Otherwise, you can click where it says people who like this page. Go ahead and click that. Banned people and pages. Now, when you click this, anyone you have already banned from your page will show up here. If you want to find someone new, click ban a person, and then you start typing in their name, and you will have a list of names to choose from. So, no, I'm not going to ban anyone right now. If you know the email they use for their Facebook, you can also ban them that way. So, it doesn't take much to ban anybody if their profile is available to you. So you've got a few different options depending on if they follow your page, if they like your page, or you just know their name. Okay, there you have it. Now your life should be better, because that person that has been spamming and harassing you is no longer going to be able to do that. Granted, they could go over and make a new profile, and then you have to block them again. But that's beside the point. Most people aren't going to waste that much time just to irritate you. If they do, that's a whole nother problem that probably ought to be handled by someone other than me. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, hit the little bell notification, and share this video with people you know who are having problems with their Facebook pages. Thanks for watching.